Okay, so my feedback about the first full length test series. This kind of video is very important. Now let me explain properly what happened last day. Last day in my institute we had first full length test series. Many students took the test series on time, and many students they have not taken yet. No problem. The test series will be saved in their profile. Whenever they will find in time, they will be taking the test series. Okay, now see the valuable parts I have extracted. Very important for you. If you have taken a last day test series, then also this video is important for you. If you have not taken the test series, then this video is going to be very important for you. And for if you are very new to my channel, go to description, you have all the gifts there. And let's continue the video. Now see guys, there are some questions, some students. I was thinking that those students are going to fail in the exam, but those students did better than my expectation. There are some students I was underestimating them, okay, but they did well. So what does it mean? It means in this meanwhile of a few days, when we have finished our class in October or November so from that time to this time, it's Jan, right? So in this gap they have improved themselves. They have done very good preparation. That's why they have done better than my expectation. Now I will talk about some students. Like, see, as a teacher I know all my students, so it used to be in my mind that this guy is going to be topper in this test series, or among these 2 3 people, they are going to be the topper in this test series. But I'll tell you, expectations versus reality, it was entirely different. Two female students, they became topper, and it was amazing to know their results, like who is being topper. And I was shocked and glad, because now competition is increasing, and those students are from my institute. Competition is increasing. It means I am having good students this year, very good students, and they are giving competition to each other. Okay, now I will tell you, there are some students, they are good students. They have prepared almost everything very well, but they have not scored well in the last exam. Why? See, very simple thing. They have done so many mistakes. They are not able to recall the formulas. They are good students. I know them conceptually. They are very good. They can rule the question paper. But see, if you will give a formula book in front of you, they can solve any questions. Actually, I'm trying to say that they did mistakes. They did mistakes, man. And I was expecting their rank to be here, and they were lagging. They were not in top 10, like that. And there were so many students, they took the full length test series because I said them to take test series, even though they were not ready. Because you see, right now this is the time to start full length test series. Because see, if you will not start test series, then there is no use of test series. You may be thinking that okay, after my complete preparation, after my complete revision, then only I will start the test series, and I will keep on I mean, first I want to prepare myself, and then I'm going to take the test series. So guys, I will tell you one thing. You may not be prepared 100%, but it's not like you are not even prepared 70%, correct? So based on 70% preparation, you can judge the test series, right? You can attend the test series. Test series will guide you. Test series will help you to give another direction to your preparation if you are taking the test series. So full length test series, whoever has not taken yet, go and take the full length test series, test 1, and that will give you another dimension, another thought process, another workplace in your preparation. Like which portion? I'll tell you. One student, she called me, and she said she was totally demoralized. Totally, she was totally upset. She said, "Sir, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do." I said, "Okay, no problem. Just target 20 marks at least." But when the test series came in front of her, she did 35, I think 37 marks, something. 30. Okay, this marks, this much. So what is the lesson here? Lesson is, what you know, that does not matter. What you perform, that matters. So question paper, I will tell you, you are 100% prepared, but there can be worst situation that question paper is not in your favor. The main question paper I'm talking. And at the same time, you may not you may not be prepared 100% from your side. You may be feeling weak, you may be feeling nervous, but maybe the question paper is in your favor, the main question paper. So you may get that kind of rank what you have not expected yet. So expectations versus reality, this is the right time to start test series. So start test series and work well. Test series will see, actually test series is not about performance. Test series is not about personal level performance to show yourself that what is your position. Test series is to guide you in better direction of preparation. When you give the test series, you will understand exactly what is the reality. There is no problem. There are 15 full length test series, I have told you, right? In 15th full length test series, you may not be doing the first one well, second one well, third one well. You may not be doing till 4, 5, 6, 7. You may not be doing well, but understand the logic. We are humans. Whenever we feel that okay, at this point we are constantly doing mistake, then automatically, if we will give little effort, automatically that error we can rectify in the next test series. Okay, it's not like our brain is some steel made brain. It is natural brain. We will work automatically system will figure out the bugs and it will fix into the next test series. Okay, so don't worry for don't worry for don't worry for your bad performance. And one thing, in the first test series, whoever taken the test series, 3 toppers I got. First topper with 80 marks. Actually, I was expecting 68 to 70 maximum, but first topper got 80 marks. Second topper, I forgot the marks, 76 or 75, and third topper 73, I guess. So this was the mark list, and there are some very good students. They are below this rank, and actually, see, I'll tell you. Actually, there is competition. There is competition. See, I am not taking in that way that there is competition. I am taking this positively, that there is competition. Competition means, I'll tell you now what is going to happen. Suppose there is someone sitting at the 28th position or 16th position or 13th position in the last test series. I'm talking about the good students. So you know why are they sitting there? Not because they don't know the subject. Two main things. Because see, actually after test series, yesterday only I started the Google form thing. Earlier I was not doing all these things, but I want to take things in more scientific way. That's why after submitting the last day itself, I learned how to make Google form. Before that I was not knowing how to make Google form. So I learned from YouTube and I created a Google form and I gave to my students. So now my students, what they did, they have completed the Google form quickly, like 2-3 minutes, and they submitted the Google form. Then I got all the responses. Then last night after test series at 9 p.m. we met for the chit chat purpose online on Zoom, and I saw their Google form and I converted the Google form into Excel sheet, and in that Excel sheet all the students, and it came very beautifully, and I was amazed, like okay, yeah, it is very easy. So there I was able to see, and we had some funny chats also. I said to my toppers, like okay, you say something like, how did you get this much mark? What did you eat before before home exam? So it was funny. It was very good. Actually, atmosphere is very good. I am telling you, in entire world there will not be any festival, probably there will not be any festival which goes for 1 month. We are engineers. This is our festival for 1 month. GATE festival. So first test series over. Then today there is no test series because tonight we have discussion. Like 13th first test series, 14th night we'll be discussing our complete 65 questions, and then 16th our second test series. Sorry, I'm saying the wrong number. 13th test series, 14th gap, 15th test series. 14th gap means 30. Sorry, I'll come back again. 13th test series, 14th discussion of the test series in the live class Zoom. 15th again next test series. 16th discussion of the test series. So in this way we have planned. Complete 1 month we are going to rock. Practice will make you perfect. There are 2 types of practice what you have to do. One practice when there is no timer. When there is no timer means the practice what you are doing using PDF. That practice plays very important role. But again, expectations versus reality you will understand when you will take the online test series. PDF test series does not matter. In PDF test series, I tell you, see, I am a teacher, I know things, but I have not got any time rank in top 10. I know things. Whatever doubts you will ask, I can classify that doubt. There are rare chance that I will get stuck in that particular portion, because I have qualified GATE 5 times. I have given so many entrance exams. I have, like, okay, leave that part. I mean to say that I know things, but still it is difficult for me to get rank in top 10. You know why? Every person is having their weakness. What is my biggest weakness? Errors. I do hell errors. In 2021 exam, I forgot to take square root. There was easy question from orbital mechanics, I mean the space dynamics. I found the velocity and I forgot to take square root. These kind of mistakes are not one or two. 13, 15 mistakes I do in one question paper. I mean, you understand the level here, because I see, I'll tell you. I see so many students like me. They are like me. They're like me means they are doing mistakes like me. And it is dangerous, because I didn't get rank in top 10, top 20. So it is dangerous. Okay, now very, very important thing. Next test series, how you should do in one test. So that's what, expectations versus reality. So see, okay, I'll refresh this. Go to this point. When you are solving any question in PDF format, that is different thing. That will give you knowledge. That will give you practice. Now with that knowledge and with that practice, are you able to perform well? That is the role of online test series, what I am talking about. So when you will take the online test series, then you will understand that you know lot of things, but question paper pattern was something else, and you are loaded with your mistakes. So even though you know a lot, but you have done so many mistakes. So now I'll give a pose to take to make my thumbnail. So I think this will be the right pose to make thumbnail. That's all. Or this one. Lighting is good here. That's all. Thank you guys. Thank you. So I'll upload, see, because see, every day after every test series I will keep on adding some, because see, these values these videos will add value in your daily life improvement. These values will add, these videos will add value in your daily life improvement. Whenever students are writing the test series, I am giving you the live feedback. Okay, so I'll show you the format also of my Google form. Actually, in my Google form, I give all types of very good questions, like what was your fear level, what was your fear level in the beginning, which question is best question you have liked. I mean, like these kind of, there are very, like this was like this was your best performance, or what kind. So it's like Google form is very good. Like you will not, so it takes only 2 minutes to fill and submit the Google form, because mostly tick questions, some 10 questions are there in Google form. So the same data I am collecting, and we are analyzing that part. And anyway, when you submit my test series, in test series bar itself, you get the final result on, like, what is total questions attempted, wrong, correct, and what is your total marks, and like bar is there. What should I say? Not bar, the row, in that row. And then you have a complete detailed solution as well. And not only solution, key is also there. Solution is also there written, and video solution for very important questions are also there. Okay. So that's all from my side. Now I will go and I'll make I'll edit my test series. And now tomorrow again we have full length test series. And once you are the topper, it's very, very difficult to maintain the same position. Understand my point? So that top 3 toppers, I'm damn sure they will shuffle. First thing, they will shuffle. And students from 4th, 5th, like this rank, they are going to penetrate this, and they are going to occupy first, second, third this thing. So second test series. And one more thing, you know, the first test series was moderate level, it was not tough level. because average students in Google form sheet, they said paper was moderate. Some people said paper was tough, some people say paper was easy, some people say they were not prepared to judge the paper, they were not enough prepared, but they took the. So you see, I am considering paper was moderate because most of the students said paper was moderate. So paper was moderate. If paper is moderate, then only some good student, what I was expecting, they are not in the topper list, and some average performing students, they are being topper, and it is very good news for me, because now this year I have more toppers. So now we'll wait for the second test series. Tomorrow we have second test series, same 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. And if some students are not able to attend the test series on the same time, no problem, that test series is saved in your profile. See, actually this whenever you find time, you can solve the test series. Why this I'm saying here? Because this video is on YouTube, so many other students will be watching them, and whatever I talk here, it is especially for GATE aerospace aspirants. Thank you so much, guys.